Welcome to Module 1, Equity, Diversity, and Inclusion Awareness and Cultural Competence. By the end of Module 1, participants will gain skills for thriving in diverse workplaces, understand EDI's positive impact, develop effective policies, use inclusive language, and support ongoing EDI initiatives. Why is equity, diversity, and inclusion training essential in every workplace? In this course, we'll explore the principles that shape inclusive workplaces and communities. Engage with the materials, discussions, and activities to champion diversity and foster belonging. Expand your knowledge, challenge perspectives, and cultivate a more equitable future. Let's embark on this journey together and pave the way for positive change. EDI initiatives aim to create a fair, diverse, and supportive environment by defining equity as the principle of acknowledging individuals' diverse experiences and circumstances, ensuring they have fair access to resources and opportunities. Diversity as the range of identities present within an organization, group, or society, and inclusion as the proactive practice of fostering an environment where all individuals feel welcome, respected, and valued. Let me ask you, how can you collectively work towards implementing equity, diversity, and inclusion initiatives to create a more fair, diverse, and supportive environment for all individuals within your company and organization? Can you collectively work towards implementing equity, diversity, and inclusion initiatives to create a more fair, diverse, and supportive environment for all individuals within your company? Let's put the dish to partake. Dish means diverse hiring practices, inclusive training activities, support cultural diversity, and harmonize workplace policies. Examples. First, diverse hiring practices. Implementing blind recruitment processes to ensure unbiased selection based on skills and qualifications rather than personal characteristics. Second, inclusive training activities. Providing training on diversity and inclusion for all employees helps raise awareness and promote understanding of different perspectives. Third, support for cultural diversity. Celebrate cultural events and holidays, create employee resource groups, and offer language support for diverse employees. Fourth, harmonization of workplace policies. Reviewing and updating workplace policies to ensure they're inclusive and equitable for all employees, such as implementing flexible work arrangements to accommodate diverse needs. In this next slide, we'll explore the importance of culture in the workplace. Culture refers to the shared values, beliefs, practices, and behaviors that shape how employees interact and work together. It influences communication styles, decision-making processes, and overall work environment. In the food service sector, culture significantly impacts operations. Understanding cultural preferences and dietary restrictions helps in creating inclusive menus that cater to diverse customer needs. It also improves staff interactions and teamwork by fostering respect for different cultural practices and communication styles. This cultural awareness enhances customer satisfaction, leads to more effective service, and helps in avoiding misunderstandings or errors related to food preparation and service. Overall, embracing cultural diversity in this sector contributes to a more welcoming environment and better overall dining experience. In the cultural iceberg concept, for instance, the use of communication styles like understanding cultural differences in communication styles is crucial in environments like kitchens, where teamwork is essential. Some cultures may value assertiveness, while others prioritize harmony and indirect communication. Also, gestures and body language, like nonverbal cues, vary widely across cultures. In customer-facing roles, awareness of gestures that might be offensive in certain cultures ensures a welcoming atmosphere. In addition, cultural diversity is evident in food preferences, influencing offerings like halal, kosher, or vegetarian options in restaurants to cater to diverse customer needs. Also, celebrating cultural festivals by acknowledging and celebrating festivals like Diwali, Lunar New Year, or Ramadan through special menu items or events fosters inclusivity and appreciation for different traditions. Last is etiquette and social norms, which consider how cultural norms regarding behavior and social expectations shape interactions in diverse environments. It emphasizes the importance of understanding and respecting these differences in the food and beverage sector. In this next slide, we'll discuss using respectful language at work, connecting this to one of the many aspects described in the cultural iceberg concept. By choosing words carefully and treating each other respectfully, we create a positive, inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Let's communicate effectively to foster mutual respect and collaboration, reflecting our commitment to professionalism and inclusivity. A few suggestions for more appropriate use of words and expressions are offered. Can we ensure our language in the sector is mindful and respectful, creating a welcoming environment for all? Words profoundly shape perceptions and attitudes. They can perpetuate stereotypes and discrimination, or conversely demonstrate empathy and respect for diversity. Our language plays a crucial role in reinforcing biases or promoting inclusivity. By choosing our words carefully, we create a welcoming environment where individuals feel valued and respected. Recognizing the impact of our words, let's use language that celebrates diversity and fosters understanding among everyone. In the food and beverage sector, it's important to use respectful and inclusive language. Instead of saying the blacks or Asians, it's more appropriate to say Black or Asian individuals. Similarly, use gay man or gay person instead of homosexual, and refer to someone as a person with autism rather than autistic. Additionally, opt for inclusive greetings like hello everyone or hello all instead of hey guys. How can we ensure our language in the food service industry is respectful and inclusive of all individuals? In what ways can we adjust our communication to reflect better diversity and inclusivity in our interactions with customers and colleagues? When discussing disabilities, it is important to be mindful of using language that respects both person first and identity first perspectives or preferences. This means acknowledging and describing individuals in a way that prioritizes their humanity before their disability, while also recognizing and honoring their chosen identity first language. It is essential to understand that each person's preference regarding language is significant and should be respected in all communications. Let's bridge our differences through cultural competence. Cultural competence is the skill of engaging and dealing effectively with individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds. It involves understanding, respecting, and appreciating cultural differences. By adjusting our behavior and communication approach, we can navigate interactions across various cultures effectively. Please take some time to reflect on the following questions related to Module 1. Provide thoughtful responses to each question, drawing from your own experiences and observations. Your reflections will contribute to our understanding of cultural dimensions and their impact on interpersonal interactions and teamwork. Consider writing your thoughts down on a piece of paper. Feel free to hit the pause button to give yourself some time for this reflection, and hit play when you're ready to move on. Take a moment to reflect on the thought-provoking questions posted and consider how they can inspire positive change within your organization. Can you think of a time when you as a leader conducted a meeting with team members from diverse cultural backgrounds and encountered challenges in engaging everyone? How did you initially feel, and what steps did you take to bridge cultural gaps and promote inclusivity? Using Hall's cultural iceberg, what strategies have you found effective in bridging cultural differences and fostering inclusivity in diverse teams or communities? What are some visible aspects of culture that you notice or experience in your daily work interactions? How do you support non-English speakers in understanding complex instructions in the workplace? In conclusion, embracing equity, diversity, and inclusion is essential for a thriving workplace. Effective policies, inclusive language, and ongoing support create an environment where everyone feels valued. Let's make EDI a core value that enhances our organization and maximizes our diverse team's potential. In the food and beverage sector, recruiting and retaining talent is challenging due to rising wages and competition. Focusing on diversity helps attract and retain top talent by fostering a sense of belonging. Congratulations on completing Module 1. You've taken the first step towards enhancing your skills and knowledge. Before we move to the next module, we'd like to acknowledge the newcomer young adults, community nonprofit organizations, food and beverage operators, and sector representatives who contributed to this work. Get ready for Module 2, where we'll explore advanced concepts and expand your learning further. Stay tuned for more exciting content.